Hello, my name is Edmond Sakode. In this video, I will show you how you can add a recovery phone number to your authentication phone number so that when you forget your password or when you find it hard to log into your account, you can use a recovery phone number attached to your Instagram account to log in to your Instagram account. So to start, click on any browser of your choice, and in the address bar you type in Instagram website, and you go to Instagram website and you enter your user ID and password. And then you click on login to access your web portal. So on your left side you click on more, then you click on settings, and you click on security and privacy. Then you scroll through to find Authenticator app or two-factor authentication to enable it by adding recovery phone number to it. So click on it. So here you can choose text message so that you can add a recovery phone number to your account so that you can recover your Instagram account when you forget your password. And click on turn on, and you enter your recovery phone number. Click on next. Confirmation will come to your phone. Use it to verify the account. So this is the phone. I go to my inbox and I copy the verification code to verify my identity, so that in case I forgot password, an event, if I've already forgotten my password, I can use it to reset my account. Then I click on save. Then click on save to save your recovery phone number to your Instagram account. You log out. Now you can access your Instagram, or you can log into your Instagram if you are forgetting your password by entering the recovery phone number to grant you access to log in to your Instagram accounts. Thank you. Please kindly like, share, comment. Thank you.